bafethu isicishe iye emaphethelweni manje. Iy'ngane zesithembu hhayi bafethu emaphethelweni. Episode 9 mhla ka-20. And I just want to discuss i-storyline sikaMpumelelo. I truly do believe ukuthi uMpumelelo is the star of the show. I think istory sakhe namakhosikazi akhe, or future wise rather, or inkoduso zakhe, is quite interesting. So in this week's episode sibona uMpumelelo beno Amahle going to some restaurant beyohlangana noMthombeni, and ubhuti laphana kushuthi uyochazela ubaba wakhe ngendlela zakhe ney'nhlelo anazo ngo-Amahle ubiyela. Hayi bafike e-restaurant laphana uAmahle uzuyasho ukuthi eyi akasatatazeli kanje phela akaze ambone ufuture babezala. Hayi madoda. Ayike kufika-ke laphana kuhlale phansi-ke babingelelane-ke bantu uMthombeni nododana. Naye-ke usisi ukhona lapha ahlale phansi, and then mase kuyaqala-ke kuyakhulunywa-ke, yabo. Why do I want to talk about this? Is because I'm not quite sure why uMpumelelo does not disclose anything to usisi uAmahle, and uAmahle naye futhi also at the same time uyaqhubekisa kuyona yonke lento, because the crux of the matter is, or rather the discussion that they're having is mainly about ukuthi ngabe uAmahle uyazi yini ngokuthi khona umuntu okuthiwa uTirelo. Does she acknowledge that? Uyavuma yini ukuthi uTirelo uzoba unkosikazi wokuqala? Uyonke lento leyo usisi ukuthi yena akayazi, uyazi ukuthi khona umuntu uTirelo sowambona, uyamazi konke lokho. But I understand ukuthi why uMpumelelo angayidisclose zonke lento lezo. Why doesn't he let her know her position in the family ukuthi ukhona umuntu ozobe emlandela? Yabo, kodwa ke khona into ayishilo kusisi uAmahle, ukhuluma indaba yokuthi if uMpumelelo bekade efisa ukuthi uTirelo abe wife number 1, then ebezohamba eyokhokha, of which he did it. Now that is very true. That is very true. And I think the one thing that made uTirelo miss the opportunity of becoming wife number 1 is ukuthi ekhaya kubo they are delaying the process ukuthi abe unkosikazi, because manje kuzobe kuyakhokha kwenzakalani and bayakuvimba inqubela phambili yalokho siyenzeke. That's why uTirelo uzayibona manje so wife number 2 kodwa efike eyintombi yokuqala empilweni kaMpumelelo. You understand? I think it was quite interesting. It was that yabona le ufuna uyibona how it's gonna play out throughout the long run ukuthi kahle kahle kuzokwenzakalani. Shuthi kahle kahle uTirelo uzoba wife number 2 ngoba angibaboni behlukana. Uyamthanda. Sure, bafethu. And-ke lapho-ke bayayikhuluma noMthombeni lento le. Bayayikhuluma uMpumelelo noMthombeni ukuthi lento ime kanje yonke lento leyo. And uMthombeni ucela lo ntombazane ukuthi-ke kuyomele sisebenzisane kodwa ingane yabantu Amahle. How old is she? I think she's 20 or 21. This is quite new to her at such a young tender age already. You are finding yourself in a situation yesithembu ongazi ukuthi how you gonna navigate it. How do you know what is right and what is wrong, what needs to be done, what doesn't need to be done? You understand that leyo emncane emngaka. Yabona it's going to be a huge problem, and uTirelo, we're going to see if she's going to allow all of this to actually fall through with our wife number 2 if we got to figure out number 1. We just never know. Guys, all I can say is thank you so much for coming through. Please do not forget to subscribe and press that like button. Turn on notifications whenever I drop my videos. We're gonna see on the next video what else are we gonna be discussing.